Hi, Golden. Why you wake up early? I prepare food for my father. You must be getting ready for work. No, not yet. Around 3 a.m. Yes. Look, I need to prepare for my father's food. He asked for food. Hi, Sir Bell. Ah, hi, Sir Bell. Hi, Golden from Sir Bell. Hi, team. How are you doing? I prepare food for my father. But me or hear you asking? Both. I'm good. You just wake up. Just wake up early. Thank you, guys. Thank you, both of you. 4 a.m. for me. Oh, wait lang. Thank you. Yeah, people think I'm him for some reasons. Huh? Hi, Golden. Blade. Two Goldens in the room. Two Goldens in the room. I think he would be in one too, but it cost high to put people in one row. To put people in one row. In one now. In days. I love how they take care of the dad here in US. He be in nursing home. Ah, okay. I love pizza. I will be if there was only pizza. I get sick if there too much. Two golden. Please open the door. It's 3 a.m. Why would she open the door? Yeah. What the heck? Where you get that big ass things? Huh? Oh, I was April. April, the month of April. You're April golden, right? You're April. You're April golden, right? Hi, golden blade in your hand. Is that coffee? No. In your hand? No. This is the coffee. Kopi ko. Hi, Mike and Venus. Good morning po. Fabio. Hi, Fabio. Good. I want to make sure it was the golden I know. The golden Fresa and the golden blade. Okay. I'm having coffee co brown right now. Same mo. Coffee co brown. Okay. That's your pour. Yeah. I roll it, then I pour it. Golden was talking about big container. The big container. This container, I think. Orange. This. Just termo. Of Spain. Is that your dad in pain? Yes, but yes. He feels sick. Pain. Yes, but you use that for copy, don't you? Yeah. So sorry to hear that. It's okay po, Sir Bell. No worries. Yeah. It's hot water. To maintain the hot water. Stay hot. So sorry to hear that. No worries po, Sir Bell. Thank you po. Gunong Penko. Hi. Gunong Penko. She in Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. I bet your body fill up with coffee. Look how big that container is. Yeah. Huh? I bet. Hey, Gorgie. Hi, Michael. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Bell. Where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that? That a good size. Common size. Here. You have a lovely smile. Oh, thank you. Hey, thanks for coming in my live yesterday. And welcome, Poser Bell. Are you do live again after that? No, no. Where are you from, Michael? I will win in the mood. Ah, okay. We're not busy. Yes. Clear up it. Clear up it. Is it nice? I just talk. Huh? Oh, it was few days ago. Forgot. Yeah, few days ago. But when I do laundry, that time I do laundry. Maybe 2 days ago. I think she's tired. Let's do coffee pot. Hi, Don. Hi, Sir Don. Hi, Sir Don. Early wake up. Hi, Queen from Sir Don. How are you doing? I'm doing great, and you too. Thank you, friends here. Good, felt good. You look stunning po. Eye bags. The eye bags. Nice to see some other friends here, you and Golden. Yes, they are my friends here po, Sir Bell. Golden, since last year, I met him here po. You have that natural beauty. Ah, thank you po, Sir Deji. I know them from another life. Ah, like when you call me DG. Ah, okay. DJ, Sir DJ. Don Juan. Johnny. But no, sir. That makes me feel old. Ah, okay. DJ. Do it respect. Don't it respect. Yeah. I have ano. Narito. My God. Yes. It looks like ano, teenager. How have you been taught? Mm-mm. Flower would like look better. Ah, the flower look better. Um, DJ, just busy, busy here. When I wake up, um, can't sleep. Flower, not good, not looking good. It's believe in yourself. Hi, hello Cheryl, how are you doing? I'm doing live. Last week was rough for me sleeping wise. Okay po. Did you do Zumba? Yes, I do Zumba. I do Zumba po. Believe in yourself. It's on your shirt. Yes. Believe in yourself. Only reminds me you're uneasy. Nothing. What are you doing, Sir Bell? Did you receive any? What is this? What is that? SS. Today, Reuben Walter. What is that? What? Like the song Don't Stop Believing, yes. I don't understand what you said. Yeah, what it is super stickers. Ah, like no. But it's okay. Just to the just anyone can willing. I really appreciate, but it's not. It's fine. SS super stickers. Now I know SS now. SS. No stickers today. Yeah, you could be the first, lol. Yeah, you could be the first if you want. Good morning, Sir Pat. Hi po. Ah, DJ, thank you, DJ. Thank you po. Oh my God. Thank you, DJ. Woman's, ah, aray ko. Are you ready? Let's go, friend. Thank you. Wow, she got one that big head of hair. You're always welcome. Thank you, DJ. How are you, Cheryl? I bet you're excited. Yes, I'm excited. Sir Pat, Sir Bell, thank you. And them airs. That's good, my friend. Thank you, Sir Pat. Oh my God, thank you. Oh my gulay. Thank you po. Oh my God, who's this? Thank you. Sir Pat. Hi, Jess Rocker. Hello po. Pat. Thank you, Sir po. Them air family. Jess Rock are blushing. Hello, little angel. Hi. My pleasure. Thank you po. Where are you from? Where you been? Hey, Jess from DJ. Don. A lot of friends here. Hey, lady. I am from the UK. Ah, okay. United Kingdom. Nice to meet you po. Rebestings. Hi. Oh, wanna let her go. Maybe my will come back someday. Oh, nice to meet you too. Did you know how the meaning of the mall like this? But I have mall here. Where? Here. What is the meaning of this? To mall. Because someone said it's the bad meaning. It means you are smart. Golden. Oh my goodness. Layo. I like golden answer. My goodness. Yes, small melatonin build up, not a problem. Ah, okay. Because someone predict that it's a bad meaning of having a mole here in the left. Only beautiful woman has mini moles. Mole like this, here, like this, here. Yeah, a little mole. Wait, mole. A little, but yeah, that this like here, yeah, little here, just here. Wait, sublime. My skin is brown. My goodness, I'm not white. If I'm white, it's very clear. This lot of moles. Even the legs have. Look at those big muscles. The muscles. You see my profile photo. I'm 60 years old, no health issue. Right. Wait. Oh wait, I need to find my another phone. You do vlog. Hi, Chief Freddy. Don't worry about silly marks. Good morning to you. Happy Monday, Guam. Hi, thank you. It must be all the Zumba. I can't wait. See, Ruben, are you? For me, the age is not my issue because, like the body, shame. If you're fat, no worries. You're because I'm slim. Hope no worries. Something like that. And age doesn't matter. As long as you are good. Age is just a number. Yeah, exactly. Don't wanna let her go. Thank you, Jeff Brady. Only thing that matters is good heart, yeah. Good heart. Having a positive vision in life, something like that. Yes, age is just a number that tells you how old you are. Yes, me, I'm 41 years old and I still feel young. 41 years old and I still feel young. That's why I love that roster. Roster. Lots of roster here. The neighborhood. I have endless life. I'm a vampire. Sure not 41, 21. A vampire. I love. My God, you're golden. Come bite me, Jer. Lol. Oh my God. I am 60, feel like 25, like 45. That's cool. Geez, Rocker, let's test. Chill, chill, cool. No, I don't want to be your maker. Maker? Maker? Hello, beautiful. How was your day been? My day, James Hogan, is beautiful. Hope beautiful today. Monday. Don't look 45 in that profile picture. Morning, Franklin Tamayo. Ricardo, why? When you bite someone, Cheryl, and you turn them into a vampire, you're their maker. Uh, no, no, you're a very good one. Thank you, vampire. I don't want to be a vampire. Oh, thank you, Franklin. Mean they will be with you forever. Rare, rare. May gulay. Hi, Manuel. Cheryl, did you receive a read super chat? I received before, but you can read super chat here now. See you next live. Thank you, Sir Pat. Take care. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you so much. Our vampires. Some women are vampire. Thank you po. Hi, Manuel Sousa. Is that breakfast? No, not yet breakfast. See ya, Pat from Jess Rocker. Red for them air. Sir Ruben, I really appreciate if you give SS red super stickers. Red. Thank you, Golden. Breakfast is here. I'm worried. Um. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought it's a joke. I thought it's a joke, but it's true. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my damn. Damn. I was joking. I didn't really mean it. Yes. Oh my god. Thank you pa. Thank you, Sir Ruben Walter. Oh my god. Ah, God bless. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you po. I was not joking. Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you more. Some like them ears. Thank you, sir, Ruben. Thank you, Golden. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Don't run away. Thank you so much. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Air are fine to me. Hello, good afternoon, my beautiful China girl. I'm not China. I'm not Chinese. I'm Filipina. My God. Kisses, hug, and hugs for you, my beautiful princess. I'm not Chinese. Wow, you hit jackpot. Yes. Oh my God. Thank you so much. You know what month? March month is Women's Month. This coming March 6, we're having a Zumba for celebrating the Women's Month. Oh my God. I was only picking on her because she had it on me. I never knew she had ears like that. Oh, God, what happened to my ears? A big ear? Oh my God, I'm confused about my ears now. Huh? Big? Like my niece? Wait, what, you're not Chinese? Yes, I'm not Chinese. How should they? My house is beautiful. My house is fine. Somewhere. Hello, Marion. Oh my God. If I was in the Philippines now with you, I would go to Chokes to go. Chokes to go. Like Chokes to go. Oh my God. Reuben. Do you have a Filipina jowa or having a friend, Ruben? Nothing. Don't worry about the airs. Don't worry about that. I love jokes to go. You love jokes to go. A lot of jokes to go here. The chicken. Jokes to go. My ex-wife is, Filipino? Oh, what happened to your ex-wife? Hmm. I'm a Filipino, oh my God. What happened to your ex-wife? My gulay. Your ear normal. Okay. Maybe different meaning about my ear. Because sir, you've been sending a super chat. That's why my ear is big now. What you up to? You look very pretty. I really appreciate that. I'm 41 years old and I'm still pretty. I live in Manila for many years. Oh, wow. What happened to your ex-wife? Having a bad something like that? I love you so much. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Edward William, you're very attractive and we will be nice to meet you when you. I'm from Philippines, but she was Filipina. That's what happened to her. Guys, sorry guys, I need to end the live because I need to go to my father. Maybe he asking someone. He asking for help. So I need to end the live. Oh my God. Thank you so much po. God bless you po. Thank you so much. My father, calling me. Oh, sorry po. Oh my God. I'm happy to talk to you guys. Bye bye po. Love you all.